Hello guys, if you are interested in acrylic painting and want to know about the techniques and art supply for acrylic painting, this information is for you. I was passionate for the drawing and art from my childhood and I was looking for some permanent painting medium. So I found acrylic and oil paints. The best thing in oil and acrylic medium, both are easy to preserve. Acrylic medium is very popular in artists because it takes a very quick time to dry. It dries so quickly that we can do work almost continuously. So for an artist in a simple language, acrylic paint is a fast drying painting medium used on canvas. It's a water soluble and after dry it becomes water resistant. Acrylic medium is my favorite because acrylic color are versatile, it's easy to clean with water when wet and it becomes permanent when it dries. Suitable for different techniques like texture and watercolor effect. And we can do many experiments with acrylic paint. And another reason is a huge range of colors. In my next coming videos, you will know about canvas, acrylic brushes, knife, color range and many more about acrylic painting. So you can follow me here. Thank you very much. Bye bye.